Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are talking about a problem that when you want to connect your iPhone to your other device or your computer or TV, then you can see an error that your screen mirroring does not showing your other device while I am waiting a lot. But guys, the problem is very simple guys. First of all guys, open your control panel and you can see Wi-Fi. My iPhone does not connect to the Wi-Fi. First of all, you need to connect both your devices as the same network. As my computer connect to the Wi-Fi, but my iPhone does not connect to the Wi-Fi. First of all, connect to Wi-Fi, then off data. Now guys, you need to restart your iPhone. Now guys, I will show you how you can restart your iPhone. Simply click on increase volume button, then decrease volume button, then simply hold your power button. Now you can see this interface, but guys, still hold your power button until you can see Apple logo. Now guys, you can see Apple logo. It means that your iPhone completely restart. Now guys, when your iPhone restart, then go to control panel and this time click on screen mirroring. Now guys, this time you can see my iPhone screen mirroring showing my other device, my desktop device. So guys, that's all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.